One of the most famous canals constructed during the Market Revolution was an interstate canal called the Erie Canal, stretching from Albany, New York to Buffalo, New York, and this enforced western expansion. A federally funded road, Cumberland Road, otherwise known as National Road, made it easier to get across long distances, connecting Missouri to Ohio. Aquatic transportation also became an object with the development of new technology, giving way to steamboats. Robert Fulton was the first to build one, and with this invention, people could now transport goods upstream and against the current, speeding exports. Agriculture also changed with transportation, and one machine that helped to improve farming was the cotton gin, made by Eli Whitney. This machine made separating the seeds from cotton much easier and increased the need for slaves in America, especially in the South, and enhanced the American economy. The harvesting of other crops was also sped up with the invention of the steam plow, which turned over the soil quickly, making it easier to plant plenty of crops and create a surplus of food. In addition, the McCormick Reaper made it effortless to harvest crops, giving way to the production of cash crops where farmers would grow to sell, not to survive. This image shows what the McCormick Reaper looked like, and although it seems inefficient now, in this time period, farmers saved time and grew wealthy because of it. Eli Whitney also made interchangeable parts, an element that revamped mass manufacturing and made products accessible to most of the public. For example, when a household product or a car broke, citizens would not have to buy a completely new product, rather they could just buy the part that broke. This also helped less skilled workers get jobs, fortifying the idea of an assembly line in the future. Communication improved as the Market Revolution continued, with the telegraph made by Samuel Morse being the first form of electronic communication. In 1844, the first message in America said with it was, "What hath God wrought?" The Market Revolution developed many improvements for technology to simplify American life and eventually make it a global superpower.